Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can create and shorten your first link on bit.ly.com. It is very simple and we're going to guide you through this really quickly and step by step. It is super simple, guys. Head over to bit.ly.com, log into your account, and here on your home screen, guys, inside your bit.ly account, what you will need to do is click on create new in the top left and select shorten a link from that menu here. You may also use the shortcut L for that. So after that, enter the destination pages URL here. So let me go, for example, I don't know, let's say a post on Blue Sky, or you may choose any website or destination page you want for this. So as long as you don't share any immoral or illegal stuff, of course. So head back to your customization of your shortened link here and paste the destination pages URL here. Just bear in mind, guys, that the destination pages URL can contain up to 1000 characters, not more than that. And that's basically it. You may assign a title below, like for example, a blue sky post or something like that. And so on and so forth, guys. You may, for example, finish this by clicking on create your link here, and that is going to create your shortened link, as you can see. Now, you may, for example, copy it and share it if you like, for example, with your friends or contacts via direct messaging services or emails, or use one of these widgets to share the given link directly, for example, via WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on and so forth. Alternatively, guys, you may close that window and here simply click on that pencil icon to edit the given shortened link. And here you may, for example, edit its back half, or for example, choose another title, assign tags, or change even the destination URL. However, guys, unfortunately, that feature is not available for free memberships here on bit.ly. Users who would like to do that will need to upgrade their free membership to one of the paid subscription plans here, guys. So that's basically it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and see you next time.